Today we're making a tortellini Alfredo. This is a classic, cheesy, rich, and just absolutely heartwarming pasta dish. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food will change your life. I'm not exaggerating, that's a literal fact. Alexa, translate the word tortellini from Italian to English. Did you hear that? She just said tortellini in English is tortellini. Girl, that was useless. You don't think I know that? It's a good thing I speak 50 languages. Tortellini translates to belly button. How cute is that? They're like little packets of pasta. They're stuffed with anything you want, like a meat, herb, cheese. Today in particular, we're making tortellini filled with cheese. We're doing a little vegetarian version. If I haven't changed your life yet, just wait. I think you will be pleasantly surprised. However, this doesn't come free. You need to subscribe to our channel, you need to hit the like button, and you need to tap on that little notification bell. Do you think that's a fair trade? I thought so. Let's get cooking. I'm not gonna make you work too hard. We're gonna start with tortellini that you can easily find at the grocery store. Fill a medium saucepan with water and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Stir in the sea salt, stir in the tortellini, and cook this according to the package directions until it's al dente. Now, while the pasta is cooking, we're gonna prepare our Alfredo sauce. And yes, you have to multitask, but you will be fine. It's gonna be so easy. I have the utmost faith in you. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, we're gonna make a roux. We're gonna combine flour and butter. Now, a roux just means you're combining equal parts fat to flour. It's a thickening agent you use in sauces a lot. So continuously stir these two until the paste forms. We're forming a blonde roux. So this will mean we're gonna cook out the yucky, kind of starchy flour taste. However, we're not gonna let this cook to the point where it develops color and browns. After the 3 minutes, add the chicken stock slowly, a little splash at a time, and you're gonna whisk continuously until it incorporates fully. Slowly add the milk in the same manner, splash by splash, followed by the dry white wine. Now, if you add these things too quickly, you run the risk of your sauce getting lumpy, and there are no lumpy sauces allowed in my house. Sorry, I don't make the rules, I just happen to live by them. Add your Parmesan cheese, fontina, mozzarella, sea salt, and black pepper. Stir the sauce until it is smooth and seasoned to taste. Add the drained tortellini to the Alfredo sauce and toss to coat in this beautiful, creamy, cheesy mixture. Garnish with a little fresh green parsley and serve to your friends. The link to the full recipe is in the description box below, or you can head to cozymeal.com/recipes for a couple of more fabulous recipes from us. If you like these Cozymeal Studios videos, please make sure you hit like and subscribe. This is your best way of supporting us. As always, my name is Yanni, and thank you for letting me change your life. Bye! Mwah.